Hello, I'm Priya Ma'am. On your board exam, a single unbalanced equation results in 0 marks for the entire question, regardless of whether your formulas are correct. This scale illustrates the law of conservation of mass. Atoms cannot be created or destroyed during a reaction. This means the number of atoms on the reactant side must perfectly equal the number of atoms on the product side. Consider the burning of magnesium. We start by converting the word equation into a skeletal chemical equation. Mg plus O2 yields MgO. To balance this, we need 2 oxygen atoms on both sides, so we place a coefficient of 2 in front of the magnesium oxide. This unbalances our magnesium, which we fix by placing a 2 in front of the reactant magnesium. Every chemical reaction, from a simple magnesium burn to complex industrial manufacturing, must obey this strict mathematical alignment to be considered valid. Let's apply this to a complex exam classic: iron reacting with steam to form magnetic iron oxide and hydrogen gas. Here is our unbalanced equation. Fe plus H2O yields Fe3O4 plus H2. Our first golden rule is to draw boxes around every formula. You are never allowed to change the small subscript numbers inside these boxes. We only adjust the multipliers on the outside. To avoid confusion, always start with the compound containing the maximum number of atoms. In this reaction, that is Fe3O4. Looking at this compound, we have 4 oxygen atoms on the right, but only 1 oxygen atom on the left. We balance the oxygen by placing a coefficient of 4 in front of the water molecule. We do not change the formula to H2O4. We only multiply the entire box. This multiplier gives us 8 hydrogen atoms on the left, but we only have 2 on the right. Look at the right side. What multiplier do we need for hydrogen to match that 8? Placing a 4 in front of the hydrogen gas brings both sides to 8. Finally, we address the iron. There are 3 iron atoms in our product, so we finish the equation by matching that 3 on the reactant side. This hidden trial method is a systematic way of tracking atoms. By prioritizing the heaviest clusters first, you force the rest of the equation into alignment. Even with the correct numbers, submitting this answer on your exam would still result in the loss of half a mark. You must add labels for physical states: solid, liquid, gas, or aqueous. Iron and iron oxide are solids. Hydrogen is a gas. Watch out, iron only reacts with steam, so the state symbol for water must be a gas, not a liquid. Screenshot this cheat sheet. These are the 4 steps to follow for every equation you encounter. Mastering these 4 procedural steps provides a logical, repeatable path to full marks on every balancing question you encounter.